So for Christmas, my mom got me a terrarium. Here it is, and I'm not sure how much you can see, but it essentially has all the things you need for growing a plant outside the container and the plant itself. So I'm really excited to open this with you guys, so let's get started. On this side, it says the kit includes river stones and sea pebbles, a gardening vermiculite, I don't really know what that is, moss, potting soil blended with activated charcoal, plant food spray with air plants and succulents, and a miniature dinosaurs. Okay, here's what's inside. Air plant and succulent food. And then here we have this really big container. Oh, it's dirt. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. And then on the top here, we have moss. And then underneath that, we have pebbles and other rocks. And then finally, we have more pebbles. And then here we have the dinosaurs. We're gonna build a habitat for them. Use pebbles or gardening vermiculite to build a base layer in your container. This layer helps excess water drain away from the roots, as most succulents like to stay dry. First, pour in the pebbles. Okay, that should be a good starting layer. Next, and for good measure, add some more pebbles on top. Next, add the soil. Yeah, you'll want a lot of it. Okay, that should be good. So this way it's more evenly spread out. And then next, we add in the moss. It's said to be more of a decorative layer, but all of the moss. So I'll spread it out around the center. Next, we're gonna put our plant in. And then we'll add some more, some of these smaller ones. So in real life, there would be actual organisms and living creatures around these plants. But because we don't have that, we're gonna simulate that with these very real, not fake, plastic dinosaurs. Here, we'll put them in their natural habitat. And that's how you build a terrarium. I really hope this grows.